How to turn on 80% charging limit on the iPhone 15 to save battery health. Apple may have just fixed its biggest iPhone battery problem, and iPhone 15 users get faster tips here how and when to use it. The iPhone 15 series is officially available, and whether you already have a device in hand or anxiously waiting for one, a recent feature discovery should be at the top of your initial setup agenda. The feature is called 80% limit, and it is tucked within the deeper end of the iPhone 15 battery settings. When toggled on, the iPhone will limit its charging capacity to 80% instead of the normal 100%. Also want the fastest iPhone? Choose this model on this network. While Apple does not actually explain why this feature exists, it's safe to assume that the charging cap is a direct response to the recent comments about the iPhone 14 battery degradation. These are not fan theories, unfortunately. It's just the nature of lithium ion batteries found in iPhones and other devices, with the maximum capacity slowly degrading every time it completes a charge cycle. Capping the iPhone 15 charging to 80% reduces the likelihood of battery degradation, though it may not always be in your best interest to have the feature turned on. More on that later. How to turn on 80% limit on the iPhone 15. What you shall need at the time of writing 80% limit is only available on the iPhone 15 series, which include the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Also, your Apple device may be eligible for a major software update. How to check and download? The feature is clearly not processor exclusive, as the non-Pro models operate on an A16 Bionic chip versus the A17 Pro on the more expensive iPhones. Therefore, the chances of Apple extending the feature to older models are still likely. 1. Access battery health and charging settings. First, open up the settings app and scroll down to the battery tab, then tap on battery health and charging. Second, toggle on 80% limit and now tap into charging optimization, and you shall be presented with three options. 1. Optimized battery charging prompts the iPhone to trickle charge up to 80% overnight and then tops up to 100% as you are able to add as you are about to wake up. Second, 80% limit caps the charging caps the charging at 80%. Apple says the iPhone will occasionally charge to 100% in order to maintain a more accurate battery state of charge estimate. Third, note none keeps the iPhone charging capabilities flexible. Tap on 80% limit to turn it on. Also, battery bad after installing iOS 17. Try these 7 tips while you are on the battery health and charging screen. You shall also find the maximum battery capacity of your iPhone, which if it's an iPhone 15 should be at 100%. If your device shows a lower value, reach out to Apple support, as there may be a potential defect with your battery. When you should and when you should not use 80% limit. uh, you want to preserve the battery health of your iPhone, whether it be for longevity sake or better resale value.